Oh my gosh. You hear that? You hear that? You know what that is? It's this guy. Yeah. Got you on camera, Pablo. You just don't want to shut up. You just want to keep making noise. Just loud noises. Took you out. Did all this for you. Just keep making noise. It's just, oh my God. I just want to go to sleep. I just want to go to sleep. Stop. Please. Oh my God. It's ridiculous. It is ridiculous. Pablo. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. Take him out the cage. Does he shut up? No. Look at this. Look at this. Why do you... I can't keep up. There you go. Flying. Unnecessarily. Why you gotta be like that, Pablo? Why you gotta be like that? Oh, not the TV. Stop. You just want to be bad. You know, acting like this last night when I was playing with you. Played with you all night. You gonna wake me up 7 o'clock on a Saturday. On a Saturday, Pablo. On a Saturday. You want to do that to me? You just don't have a care in the world. Still a cute little bird, though. You don't want to let me rub you now. You're a jerk. Oh, in my face. God. Fuck it. There you go. There you go. I'm dizzy. Look at this. Fighting people. Jerk. Squeak, squeak. You don't even do the sound anymore. I hope you feel my pain. This is ridiculous. Say goodbye, Pablo. Say goodbye.